Check it out. This is wireless CarPlay running on the 2014 to 17 Honda Odyssey. We've just installed the Hamilton Upgrade Kit, a custom box designed by Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina that takes over your factory screen, giving you wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. We're going to make your Odyssey feel brand new. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key features and tell you why the Hamilton Upgrade Kit stands alone on the market. We've done all of our engineering work in Raleigh, North Carolina on American spec vehicles. This means we've captured our data off vehicles from the United States, so we can be confident that our systems preserve all of your factory features. You can see when I turn the right turn signal on, that lane watch feature comes up. This is an awesome safety feature from Honda. When you put the turn signal off, it goes right back to CarPlay. The lane watch button is also going to work here as well. You won't lose any factory functionality with the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. This system's going to use your factory Bluetooth channel, and we're going to have a full pairing and overview video. It'll preserve your XM, AM, and FM radio. You can see here in CarPlay, no matter which music app you use, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. Pushing the back button, we can come back home here. This is the split screen view where you have your navigation showing next to your now playing. You can see I'm using Apple Maps, but whether you use Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, you'll have easy access to safe, large, beautiful navigation. And Siri will read your directions.
Starting route.
With Siri reading your directions, it makes driving so much easier.
Proceed to Triangle Drive, then take the first left.
We've precision calibrated this device to work with your factory microphone. That means that talking to Siri is a breeze and phone calls are going to sound great. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently clear and 45 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting in the evening. Today's high was 59 and the low will be 33.
Any app with a CarPlay component is going to automatically show up here in CarPlay. This system is backed by our concierge-style tech support. We're known across dealerships and installation shops across the United States for taking great care of our customers. If you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase, you can give us a call at 919-858-2890. We back this kit by a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We're going to make your Honda Odyssey feel brand new. Be sure to check out and watch our installation video. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.